Alright, what's up? I'm gonna be wrapping the hood of my car with wrapping paper. So all you'll need to do is just have enough wrapping paper and tape. I'm gonna set up the camera and just do a quick little time lapse, and then I'll show you little things that I struggle with, just so if you guys ever want to try it out. Okay, so I did the top half. It's nice and smooth, sort of. That's overlapping. I'll be making some cuts, but for now, that's how I taped it. Just tuck it and tape both edges. And now we're gonna work on these corners quick before I trim. The hood is right here, so I'll have this extra to tuck under. So I'm going to be cutting lines straight up like that, about that far apart, so I can just tuck it in like a present and get those tight creases, make it look a little good all the way down. And then on these corners here, I left a little bit extra, so you can kind of just tuck it under like that. So now we'll give it a walk around and proof check it, make sure everything is good to go, and then I'll show you guys. But there, it's the final project. We'll see how it looks when I drive see if it holds up or not, but that's it. All right, made it like block down the road and the first front half ripped, so just gonna wait for the other half here. And there's a car behind me too. Oh no, he's turning. Well, there you go. That's my Christmas wrapping paper for the front hood. It lasts me about 40 miles an hour, 45 seconds of driving, and it shit on me. So if you get the idea, I probably did a really shitty job. But if you just take your time, I was kind of rushed. Make sure to get those gaps filled, like I probably missed a couple in the front. Or don't buy the cheap wrapping paper. That was like paper thin, so. All right, off camera, I did it again last night. Only I tried to tape it up and reinforce it a little better. I have a good feeling this is gonna come off too, but we'll find out here shortly. I'll keep the camera rolling for when I drive, but I guarantee this will be flying off. I'm gonna whip around real quick because I expected it to come off by now, so I'll probably take a picture real quick. I'll buzz out the camera if I get any rips or anything, or if I make it to my destination. Alright, made it to where I need to go. Let's check out what it looks like. I think it held up pretty good. I didn't see anything fly off, no tape or anything coming off as well, so let's take a look on the outside. That might be a problem. Just put some tape over that. There was tape over there, but we can put more. I have some in the back seat.